In college time, I was 6 feet tall, decent face. I even had abs at that time. I had the physical side completely sorted. Everything guys think is the reason girls like them. I had it, and yet not a single girl wanted to be around me, not even for friendship. People would see me coming and just not make the effort. Whereas on the other hand, I had a friend who was very fat and looked bad, but still everyone gave him respect and attention. Then one day he told me something that changed my life. He told me 5 things that most of the guys miss and everyone ignores them. 5 skills. Implement them genuinely and your entire social world changes. Skill 1. Ask for favors. Instead of giving them, most guys think the way to make someone like you is to do things for them. Chocolates, notes, always available. I did this with every girl I liked. Here is what happened. She felt nothing. There is a psychological phenomenon called the Ben Franklin effect. When you do someone a favor, you like them more. When someone does you a favor, they like you more, not the other way around. Next time you want someone to like you, do not give them anything. Ask them for something small. Let them invest in you. Investment creates attachment. Stop being the one who gives everything. Start being the one people give to. My friend had a very good habit that made no one hate him. Wait, I'll tell you in the next point. Skill 2. Never criticize someone who is not your close friend. My cousin came home showing off shoes she bought, bad quality shoes. My dad said immediately, "What is this? Such a bad choice." He meant well, but she had already committed. She had already told herself they were good shoes. That comment, years later, it still sits in her memory. The moment someone commits to something, their mind defends that decision. Criticism of their choice feels like criticism of their identity. People do not forgive attacks on their identity easily. Unless someone is your closest friend asking for honest feedback, support, do not critique. People remember how you made them feel, make them feel judged, and they quietly disappear from your life. Okay, decoding, brother. From today, I will stop criticizing, but will I become attractive just by doing this? No, bro, no. Without the next 3 points, you will look like a zombie instead of attractive. Skill 3. The smile trick that changed everything. Before I learned this, my resting face was a problem. I did not know it. I thought I looked normal. My friend told me later, "We thought you were arrogant." Nobody wanted to approach you first. Your resting expression broadcasts a message before you say a single word. If it says stay away, people stay away. You can be the nicest person internally and still have everyone keeping their distance. Here is the actual trick. Widen your eyes slightly. Right now, try it. And imagine something that genuinely makes you happy. Your brain produces a micro smile that is completely natural. You will not feel like you are faking. And to everyone looking at you, you will look warm and approachable. Try it next time you walk into a room. The number of people who suddenly make eye contact and smile back will surprise you. The next trick is very easy but has many benefits. Skill 4. Use their name more than you think. The sweetest sound to any person is the sound of their own name. It is tied to their entire identity. When someone uses it, especially someone they do not know well, something in their brain lights up. They feel seen. They feel important. Most people forget names immediately. Make the opposite decision. When you meet someone new, lock in the name. Use it early in the conversation. Use it again in the middle. Use it when you say goodbye. Not calculated, just natural. So Max, what do you think? Simple, but the effect on the other person is enormous. And next time you see them, use their name immediately. That single move makes people feel more valued by you than almost anything else you could do. Now let's talk about the last trick, but before that, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. Skill 5. Be genuinely interested in other people. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming genuinely interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to make other people interested in you. Most people walk into social situations thinking, how do I come across? How do I impress them? They can sense when someone is performing instead of connecting. Be the person who walks in thinking, who is this person? What lights them up? Ask questions. Ask follow-ups. Let them talk about themselves. When someone feels genuinely listened to, they experience a rush of positive feeling. And that feeling gets attached to you. Suddenly, you are the person who makes them feel good just by being around. That is more attractive than any physical feature. Stop trying to be interesting. Start being interested. Now you've learned how to chat, but how do you approach a girl? Click on the left video to learn how. If you want to impress a girl over text, watch the right video. And subscribe because you can't get a girl without me.